Think we got one? Alright. What's up, guys? Joe for 5 Sports. Found my Upper Deck color. Since I'm a huge Upper Deck fan. Break 1710. Series 2 1617. It's a double rock there. Let's do this. Alright, I'm back. Go. Fire. So I have to be careful. Pack number 1. Started with a canvas. Minnesota Wild, Zach Parise. Next to him is Zengers Gergensen. Pack number 2, we have a marquee rookie Anaheim Ducks, Jacob Larson. Oh, there it is. What did I say? What did I tell you? What did I say? Huh? Young Gun, Winnipeg Jets, Patrick Laney. I predicted it. So, congrats, Winnipeg. Now I have a Young Gun of Patrick Laney. Out of the 3rd pack, so there's still a 2nd box. Next, we have a Portraits. Nashville Predators, Pontus Eber. Pack number 5. Canvas, Nashville Predators, Pecorine. Marquee rookie for the Flyers, Travis Konecny. Portraits, Toronto Maple Leafs, Kasperi Kapanen. Next pack, we have the, oh, damn, what a box. What a box. Rookie breakouts. Number 54 out of 100. Guess who? Of course, Toronto Maple Leaf, Auston Matthews. Alright, guys, so that's why you choose us. You get some nice sets. So Winnipeg now has Patrick Laney Young Gun, and Toronto Maple Leaf has a rookie breakout. And for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Young Gun canvas, Jake Guentzel.
What the hell?
That's what you call a good box, eh? Are we gonna have a Young Gun eyeglass? Devils, Nick Lappin. Whoa, that box is fire. Next, we have a Young Gun, Buffalo Sabres, Nick Batiste. OPG update, Buffalo Sabres, Cal Okposo. Alright, so that was only the first half of box number 1. Second half. Young Gun, Anaheim Ducks, Andres Case. Next, we have a marquee rookie foil, Toronto Maple Leafs, Auston Matthews. Portraits, New York Islanders, Anthony Beauvillier. Next, we have a marquee rookie, Vancouver Canucks, Troy Stecher. Young Gun, San Jose Sharks, Timo Meier. Penguins, Jake Guentzel. Sound of either. We have the Portraits for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Jake Guentzel. Next, we have a Young Gun, Florida Panthers, Cal Rowe. Marquee rookie, New York Islanders, Anthony Beauvillier. Next, we have a Young Gun, New Jersey Devils, Scott Wedgwood. two last packs. Box number 1. Are we gonna have that Young Gun Eyeglass? Nope, but we have a rookie material. Tampa Bay Lightning graded point. And last pack, we have a canvas for the San Jose Sharks. Michael Bottker. Okay, so that was box number 1. What a box that was, right? What do you think about that, Francois? So Francois is loud. Usual Frank, eh? Alright, so box number 2. Everything's still possible for everybody. Because we start with pack number 1. Young Gun, Florida Panthers, Shane Harper. Pack number 2, Young Gun, Winnipeg Jets, Chase DeLeo. Portraits, Flyers, Ivan Provorov. Canvas for the Anaheim Ducks, Rickard Reichel. What the hell just happened? Rickard Reichel? Well, I dropped it.
Come on, Johnson.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Anaheim.
Don't do that kind of stuff.
Oh, we have, retired canvas. What's the best retired canvas we could get? Anyone, Frank?
Wayne Gretzky?
For the Edmonton Oilers, Wayne Gretzky.
What the hell?
Another nice hit now for Edmonton. I'm not gonna drop this one. Next pack. Flyers. Travis Konecny. Canvas. Florida Panthers. Aaron Ekblad. Marquee rookie. Winnipeg Jets. Kyle Connor. OPG update. New Jersey Devil. Taylor Hall. What's the best portrait we could get? Hey, Frank? Hey, what's the best portrait we could get? No. Calgary Flames, Oliver Killington.
What?
That is
What in the box?
It's your favorite player, man. Admit it. Next pack, we have a UD exclusive. What's the best exclusive we could get? 38 out of 100. New York Islanders, Andrew Ladd. So you answered correctly, but that's not Sidney Crosby. It's Andrew Ladd. Next, we have a marquee rookie, Edmonton Oilers, Jesse Puyarvi. So that was the first half of box number 2. Let me get that out. Second half, come on, fire. We need a big hit. And we have a marquee rookie, San Jose Sharks, Kevin Laban. Young Gun, Anaheim Ducks, Jacob Larson. Young Gun, Dallas Stars, Garmel Smith. Next, we have a rookie material, Dallas Stars, Esa Lindell. Next pack, we have a canvas, Tampa Bay Lightning, Vladislav Namestnikov. Young Gun, Minnesota Wild, Joel Eriksson X. Next, we have a marquee rookie foil, Buffalo Sabres, Nick Batiste. Portraits, Arizona Coyotes, Christian Vorak. Portraits, Ottawa Senators, Nick Paul. Young Gun, Buffalo Sabres, Casey Nelson. Marky Rookie, Carolina Hurricane, Sebastian Aho. And their last pack, we have the Ducks, Jacob Larson. Those two boxes were fantastic. So I'm done with Series 2, 16, 17. I'm going to go like those. This one and this one. So I'll be back. And I won't be back alone. So you guys are lucky. I'll be back with a new guest. Yeah, the new guest name is Francois. Alright, so I'll be back in 4 minutes, guys. Thanks.